Just really listen to what feels good to you and what you're drawn to.
Mhm. Now, Katie, with all these experiences, what advice would you give to someone looking to get into graphic design?
Oh, that's a great question. Um, I think I would just tell them to master Adobe Illustrator, spend a lot of time in Adobe Illustrator, and just be really open for new ideas. And it's hard to say no in the beginning because you want to just be exposed to all kinds of different things. So just really listen to what feels good to you and what you're drawn to. Um, and if you get into a situation where you're like, I don't want to do this again, take note of that and really feel out what calls you, because at least someone who does branding design the way that I do it, as their own boss, we really do get to decide. And so it makes me so sad to see people that are just working on projects that they don't enjoy, that don't light them up, because it's your choice.